Welcome to our overview of Acumatica's pick, pack, and ship using the batch process. In a batch pick process, we'll be routed through the warehouse to pick items for orders and return them to our sorting and packing station. As you can see, we already have orders entered, ready to be picked, and so the first step we're going to want to do is create the pick list. When I create the pick list, I mentioned we're going to be using the batch. My items come up, and I have 4 orders waiting to be picked. At this point, I could just select to pick all of them, or maybe I know that I have pickup orders by customers I want to do, so I could do will call first. By just putting in the method, I can begin to narrow down my list. Or maybe I have UPS coming in, and I want to get the ground shipments that I have for them ready to go. Those orders will be selected. Once I click on those, and I want to send it to the picking queue, and we can print pick lists, or you can use your mobile scanner to automatically bring up the next list and navigate you through your warehouse. Here you can see my pick list. I've got 2 of these items and 3 of these items to be picked. So at that point, I'm ready to go to my scanner. From my scanner, I'm going to select the pick, pack, and ship. And the next step would be to scan the barcode for the packing list that I'm doing. I scan that item. And from there, it gives me the directions to go to the first location for the item that I'm going to pick. When I get there, I'll scan in my location, and the next suggestion is to pick the widget. I have 2 widget 01s to pick. I scan the 2 as I pull them off the shelf, and now it recommends I go to the widget 04, so I'll just pick 3 of those. And now this pick list is completely picked. When I'm done, I can say Finish Next, or I can confirm the list off the packing list and move to my next operation. Next step, I'm going to change mode down at the bottom. You'll see where it says Pack. I'm ready to pack the items. Now that I'm in the pack mode, first thing I want to do is scan the shipment number for the first item that I'm doing. I've already pre-printed this out. I scan the shipment number, and then the next thing is to scan the item number. So I'm going to go over here and scan. So I've got 1 of the widgets and 1 of these, and you'll notice it knows that I'm completely done with that, and I'm ready to scan the next shipment number to continue. Before I do that, I'm going to just come down and confirm that shipment, go to my next shipment number, scan the barcode items for those. As I'm scanning the items, again, I could select the quantity or just scan the 2 items into the box. Once I'm done, the shipment is ready to be packed. I'll go back over and confirm the shipment. At that point, if I need to go back out and start picking, I just switch back to my pick mode, and I'm ready to take the next item on the list. And again, without having to print them out, Acumatica can direct you to each picking list in order so you can just keep picking and packing as you go. I'm going to bring back up my dashboard for my shipping clerk, refresh the screen, and we now have 4 items left to pick. Our other 2 orders have already been completed. If I go to my sales orders, I can bring up the 2 items that we just completed, take a look at them. They're now marked as complete. And if I go to my shipments, I can see the shipment document. Everything can be drilled back to see what you did, make sure everything is complete. And in this case, because I was shipping UPS, the tracking number has already been added to the shipment, and the labels can be printed, or depending on your workflow, may already have been printed for you. I hope you can see how easy it is to pick, pack, and ship using Acumatica and your mobile devices. For more information, please contact us at ASWIUS.com.